What's up? I'm Shane with Lawn and Light. We're going to jump right in. The power of a website and social proof and the trepidation that most of us feel when it comes to building a website. We're going to solve that today. We're going to try to do it quickly. We're going to see how quick we can do it. Jobber is our CRM. There's a link in the description if you want to sign up for Jobber. We're an ambassador. We get paid. You get a discount. Don't do it for that. Do it if you need it. Okay, here we go. When you sign up, you're going to go to, I think you have to do, I can't remember what plan it is. I should know. I'm sorry, but I don't. You're going to log in. This is our dummy account. We're going to try to build a website together. This is a Jobber specific website. It ties to your forms and all that stuff, makes it super simple for your customers. So here we go. We're going to the website on the left-hand side. We're going to click View My Website. I believe this is how you do it. I've done it for our business, but it's been a little bit. So, okay, it's going to say share your business story. You're going to put in information there. We're just going to go with the AI version. And really, if you're a lighting business, I mean, you really don't need a fancy website. You don't need a overly informative website. You don't need a bunch of pages. You need a home page and some pictures, to be honest. You want to show professionalism. This is going to look good. This is going to do that. So, service pages, I'm just going to do, based on what you told us, you think your service pages will help you get discovered by the right clients. Okay, this is kind of giving you some Googleable titles. Lighting installation services. We'll just click that one. For now, we don't need these other ones. And I'm going to add a gallery. So create site. This is going to go to your home page. Loading. Oh, we got it. Okay. All right, so let's see. Okay, how easy is this? Okay, so I click on that. This is essentially the hero image. I click on this. I'm going to change image, upload image. It has to be less than 5 megapixels or megabytes. There we go. There's one. Okay, so I'm just going to use that picture. Going to load it, and then bam. Now this button here, once you have your form set up, you can select the form right here. Okay, so there you go, that's set up. Whatever form you've already created in Jobber, not in the website builder, your actual Jobber system, the forms you create, you can select from those. All right, so then you can, if you want to change this title, Christmas lights. Who doesn't love them? We want to give you the warm and fuzzies. That's silly, but whatever. You can type in whatever you want. I'm going to scroll down here. You can do another image here if you want to. Scroll down here. Let's see if we have another image that we can do. There you go. We'll do that one. And this would be like this image, if you're doing something here, it should be like something more like something your guys are working on. Like your guys working or you working with your logo on your shirt showing. It's already populated YS, top tier commercial lighting, expert contractor training. Those are things specific to our lawn and light. That's why those are coming up. But you would change those specific to your business. Like how are you serving your customers? So it could be how we make it easy for you. We design, we install, we maintain, we remove, and we store if you do all of those things. And then a little description about each one. Explore lighting services. So here's where you would you could change this picture here to the different lighting services that you have. So if you could put a little collage of pictures here. That's what I would do. You put a collage of pictures if you do Christmas lights. So I have one Christmas light, top left corner. And then if you do landscape lights, top right corner. If you do event lighting, bottom left. And if you do any kind of permanent lighting or anything like that, you can put those. And you can move that collage of pictures depending on the season that you're in. And then hands-on training, you guys don't have that. You're not worried about that. Or whatever service business you're in, you can use this for. This is not just for lighting. And then if literally if you don't need some of this stuff, what do? We just delete it, right? Oops, somehow I got to a different page there. Go back there. There we go. I'm going to click that. Okay, that's the lighting installation services. So you could fill that out. More details about your installation services. Contractor training. Lighting product sales. Let's see if we click contractor training. What happens? Okay, so I want to delete that. So I just go over here to the right and delete. And then you're like, if you're just lighting, you don't need more of these. So I'm going to delete the product sales as well. Now, bam. This is another call to action. You need call to actions on your website. So it's not going to say elevate your lighting business today. It's going to say call us today. Installation spots are running out. Then you can give a better call to action. Don't miss early install discounts. Obviously, this would be at the beginning of your season. Get an estimate, bam, and then you can change this serving contractors across Texas cities, and you can put all the different cities that you serve right there, and then it says get an estimate again. And then about Lawn and Light, you could put a picture of your family. So what about your business? Give a few details, and then if you're a family business, put a picture of your family. Maybe in front of your wrapped truck or in front of a house with Christmas lights. Or if you're plumbers, have your 2-year-old kid holding a big pipe wrench. Or one of the tools you use. Would be funny if they're holding something that's bigger than they are. That'd be funny, but it would create it would make somebody laugh. When you make somebody laugh, it makes you memorable. And then frequently asked questions. And then there's your get an estimate. And then you publish. That's it. Literally, I don't know how long we've been filming here. That's 8 minutes. Now, I didn't do all the stuff. You can do this in 30 minutes if you have all your pictures ready and you have your content ready. Have ChatGPT pulled up for the different areas of where you're going to put your content. You could, 30 minutes to an hour, you can have a website built and published. And it already has like Google stuff built into it, which will help you, but it will help you just in the fact of having a website and having something that somebody can look at. You watch the Google reviews, one that we did last week. This is another step to social proof. Not everybody has a website nowadays, so I'm not saying it's totally necessary, but it does help a lot with social proof. Okay, remember, love God, love others. Let your light reflect that. We'll catch you on the next one.